Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaylin and today is the first day of 2018, and so I just wanted to make this video and give some tips and tricks on how to make 2018 your bitch. So I know that this is a big thing that a lot of people talk about, and it's made its way into songs, and you know, it's more of a bigger thing now than it used to be, but it's the law of attraction and manifestation. And I know people are like, that's dumb, but I think it truly works. It's more of a psychological thing, I think, but I truly think that it works, and it's a real thing. And it's what I use, it's at least what I say that I use, but I think that it really does help. I think it makes a difference. What it is it's thinking things into existence that you want, or speaking them into existence, and making them come true based on your thoughts and your actions. And it's talking about things that you don't yet have but you want in the future, but speaking of them as if you already have them, and that's how you get them. So if you want a house and someone asks, oh, do you have a house? Instead of saying, no, I don't have one, say, I will in the future. Not even no, but I will in the future. Just say, I will in the future. Try to take the word no out of your vocabulary. Obviously, it won't be out of your vocabulary for sure, and all day, every day, but when you're speaking about things that you want, or, of that sort, just try to take the word no out of your vocabulary. Ultimately, you receive from the universe what you give to it. So if you radiate positivity and good vibes, then that's what you'll get from the universe back. You receive what you radiate. The next thing is to have a journal. And I don't mean we're throwing it back to 4th grade when everyone wanted one of those locket diary things, but I mean a journal as in to write down things that happened to you. Not an outlet. Don't talk about your day or some boys or something, and it's more of a reminder. So every day you write down something good that happened to you. And it's meant to be mostly positive, but if you do have something negative to write, then for that one negative you have to write 2 positives. And if nothing good happened that day, then just write 2 things that you're thankful for, or you're happy that's in your life. So if your negative was boys, I don't know, for example, then for your positives you could write Kraft macaroni and the sky. For your positives, things that you're thankful that exist, It can be anything, but it's meant to be more positive than negative, and so that if you're ever having a bad day, you can look at all of those positives and see that there's more positive stuff in your life than there is of negative. The 2 positives are supposed to cancel out that negative, 4th grade math, PEMDAS. That's what that's meant to do, kind of, basically. But it is also, there's more positive than negative in your life. And the third one is to just live for yourself, not taking shit from anyone. And I know that that's so overdone, and that's what everyone says to do to make yourself happier, but it's honestly really true. Once you get over that lump of doing things to please other people and to make other people like you, I don't know, you just get a lot happier, and you're like, wow, I'm a badass bitch, So doing things for yourself is really one of the biggest things that you could possibly do. And I get it, people could be mean. So if you want to wear green lipstick because that's what makes you feel good and that's what makes you happy, but you wear that green lipstick and people make fun of you for it, it makes you lose your confidence, and it makes you self-conscious, and you don't want to do it again. But I don't know, it's just, and that sucks, it does, I know, but I don't know, it's all mind over matter, I don't know how to explain mind over matter, that's what I live by. Everything it truly is mind over matter. But once you just, one day, I don't know, the switch in your brain, it flips, and it's amazing, because then you just wear that green lipstick, and all those voices in the background, they just fade out. How in movies, it fades. It's gone. Those are my kind of just 3 things that I try to do. I don't always succeed, but I try to do. So another tip is, don't make these year resolutions. Resolutions 9 times out of 10 fail. The percentage of people's resolutions failing is a lot higher than them succeeding, so don't make them your resolutions. resolutions fail because people set them knowing that they're unattainable for them, or they don't make progress fast enough, so they just forget about them, So don't do that. Don't make yourself not achieve them, However, having said that, I do have a resolution, and my resolution is to kind of have a new resolution every couple months or so. Make attainable goals that I know that are within range or are just outside of reach, that I know if I push a little harder I can get to them. So my first one for the next couple of months is to lose weight, and I know that that's everyone's resolution, and wow, how original. But the diet that I'm on, I've been on it before, and I've lost weight from it before, and my goal weight, I've been that weight before, so that I know that I can get to it. I know that it's within my reach. And so once I reach that goal, then I'll set another one. I don't want to set all of my goals now and have them within a time span that I don't know if I can get it or not, and then that would just be overwhelming, and I would be focused on the next thing and trying to finish it. I want to do one at a time, So that is everything, and it's not everything, but it's a good place to start and a good place to do better for yourself. And 2018 is all about positivity and radiating love and receiving what you radiate, So I hope everyone watching this and everyone not watching this has an amazing 2018, and that it's your year for growth and prosperity and just being amazing all around.